In this video, I will be walking you through the steps involved with image acquisition on the Odyssey DLx and CLx. So with the LI-COR Acquisition Software open, you click on the scan button right here. You select your username, which you input in the settings right up here. Find your instrument that you want to connect to. Now, most of the time, there will only be one on this list, so you just go ahead and click Connect. And we're going to be doing the membrane option here. And so you just start off by clicking and dragging your area that you want to scan. And then at that point, if you want to manually edit the values, you click Edit the Scan Area and you enter those values in there. You can either start a preview at this point, or you can also draw a secondary area on here as well. So I'm just going to get rid of that one and I'm going to manually change this one so we just have a very small area to scan. Click the next button and choose whether you want to do the 700, 800, or both. Click Save and then start your scan. And you will get an estimated time once the scanner has started up here. And you can stop the scan if you have scanned enough, or if you see that something is wrong with the scan. And so we'll just wait for that to go ahead and start. Now, unlike with Image Studio, you don't have the options for setting the resolution or the quality or the focus offset. If you do want to have those options, you would have to go into the custom setting to have those options available for you. So the default settings are 169 microns with auto scan for both instruments, the CLX and the DLX. But if you do want to have options for other intensity settings at that point as well, you would need to go in and do a custom scan. So as this is wrapping up, over here to the side, we have the options to export to analyze. That's for exporting it out to Imperia software, or if you just want to present the image and have something to present, just go ahead and click on that right here. So now that the scanning is completed, you can go ahead and click on Export to Analyze. If you have scanned multiple areas, you can export both of them or all of them together, or if you just want to export them individually, you would uncheck that at that point. And so then once you've finished everything up, just go ahead and click on Leave.